This is a reading number 60 of A Course of Love. This reading will conclude the chapter on free will and willingness. We begin with the last paragraph of reading 59. God will never wrestle your free will from you or fight battles to win it for himself. This final battle is in your own mind, and it is a figment of the illusions you have made. Let this prophecy you have made go, and realize that willingness does not negate free will. Yet even while you cannot yet quite give up your guardianship of it, it is sufficient to begin with a temporary choice, though a lasting choice would be required before you will feel the shift of cause and quit worrying about effect. For now what you desire are effects, without realizing cause must shift to change the effects you would have come about. This matters not at this point. You are offered the opportunity to make a temporary decision that can be rescinded at any time. Your temporary willingness will be enough to begin to affect cause, and in so doing, bring some sanity to your restless mind and heart. What willingness is it that you are asked to give? It can come in many manners and be given many forms. It can be called a willingness to change your mind or to allow yourself to be open to new possibilities. It can be called a change of heart, or a willingness but to, for a little while, withdraw your fear and your protection from it. But what this willingness really does is allow your call to be sounded and your call to love and to be loved. It is a willingness to receive love from your source and to be loved for who you are. Is that so much to ask? It is a call that comes not from weakness but from strength, and that goes out to truth and not illusion. It is a call whose answer will come to you quickly on the wings of angels. A fluttering your heart will feel, for angels too are one with you. It may feel like loneliness compounded for the brief instant you await its coming, and feel the emptiness that has been opened for its coming. This is a call that requires you to do nothing but to remain faithful to it. You do not need to think about it, but only let it be. You need put no words on it, for words cannot express it any more than words can teach you what love is, or that love is. You need not concentrate on where to find love, for love will find you. You need not concentrate on giving love, for you cannot give what you do not yet know. And when you know it, you need not give it, for it will extend from you naturally in miracles called love. Love is all that will fill your emptiness, and all that will never leave you empty again, as it extends from you to your brothers and sisters. Love is all that will not leave you wanting. Love is all that will replace use with unity. You exist quite simply because of your relationship with love. Love is the unity you seek. In having chosen separation over unity, you but chose fear over love. When you let go of fear and invite unity to return, you but send out an invitation to love and say you are welcome here. What is a dinner party where love is not? Is it merely a social obligation? But a dinner party where love is welcome to take its place becomes a celebration. Your table becomes an altar to the Lord, and grace is upon it, and the Lord is with you. Take a deep breath in and release. And allow this lesson number 60, this reading number 60, to just sink in. Enjoy today with blessing.